Good morning. I am in Portsmouth, not Rhode Island, not whatever other Portsmouth there is, but I'm in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. And, I've driven by Portsmouth about 2 million times. Never actually bothered to stop. So, here I am. And you know something? This place is rather charming. So, time to get some photos. Let's head over to Market Street. Alright, as you can see, I'm right in the middle of it all. Just looking for that interesting moment that creates a photograph that brings you in, using the geometry of the space and the emotion or the action of the subjects. I'm using the Insta360 X4 camera to document this, so I'm having to hold it with my left hand as I do this, which makes it a little more difficult. Take in your surroundings and look for interesting ways of framing the subjects. This is a continuous video. As you can see, I'm always moving and my eyes are open. I'm looking for opportunities, and look what happens here. I see people coming up the stairs. I see the construction site. Immediately, I'm trying to think of a way of framing the guy coming up the stairs and the two walking on the street. No surprise, I gravitate towards the two bicycles that are chained to the light post. But again, I'm looking around and seeing if I can anticipate something. Quickly, I notice that two people are walking in the direction of these bikes. What happens? I see them walking across the street, and here they come. So I position myself, I pre-focus, and I take the photo. Not shooting anything in particular. Just hanging out, enjoying the weather before it all goes away, and we end up with some very, very cold weather. That's New England for you. I mean, the key to something like this is literally just walk around it without any particular objective, which is totally different than what I normally do. As far as covering an assignment or working on a story, this is just wandering. Discovering things. I don't even know where I am right now. I just know there's a lot of restaurants, and there's a lot of little nooks and crannies that you can check out. It's like this. This is kind of cool. Oh, this looks interesting. No, I'm not winding the film with my thumb. I'm using the exposure compensation wheel on the top of the Leica. I obviously went outside of Market Street, but I also know that I didn't want to be carrying around the Insta360 X4 the entire time. And as you can see from all these various photos I shot around the historic part of Portsmouth, New Hampshire, I'm focusing on how the people interact with the space. And I'm taking advantage of the characteristics of the camera, in this case the Leica Q2. Look for the moments, wait for them, and then capture them. That's the essence of street photography. How do you capture something in an interesting way? And sometimes you have to get into the nooks and crannies yourself. Wait for it to happen. Anticipate. Frame it. Think the way the camera sees it. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe.